In front of me is Sony Xperia 10 Mark VI, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. First of all, you need to find an app called Files and tap on it. Then select those three lines at the top left corner. Select Clean over here at the top and tap on Clean under Junk Files. Then confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my Sony was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!